Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Rio Cobre water treatment plant, and as you can see it's under construction. Now a French company, one of the largest contractors in France, has gotten the contract to build this plant. It's Vinci Corporation, and they got a $15 billion project to build this Rio Cobre plant. Now, if the name Vinci sounds familiar, it's because they also got another contract to build a water pipeline on the north coast. I think that's the western. Um, I'll tell you the name soon. But they got a contract to build water pipelines on the north coast of Jamaica, and they also got this contract to build the Rio Cobre water treatment plants. Now, this plant is essential to Jamaica. Kingston, the capital and most populated area in Jamaica, has a water problem, especially when there is drought conditions. The two dams cannot supply the water to Kingston when there is a drought. So they are building this water treatment plant that's going to take water from the Rio Cobre and pump it into Kingston, 15 million gallons a day, which is more than enough that is needed to supply 600,000 homes in Kingston. Now, on average, Kingston needs about 12 million gallons of water a day. So this plant can pump 15 million, so it's more than enough. So this will solve Jamaica's water problems, Kingston's water problems. And that other project on the north coast should solve the water issues on the north coast of Jamaica. So we are going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The Rio Cobre water treatment plant is one of Jamaica's most significant modern infrastructure projects aimed at strengthening national water security and improving service reliability for hundreds of thousands of residents. The project is being executed under a public-private partnership model and is led by French engineering and construction giant Vinci Construction Grand Projects, in collaboration with the National Water Commission through a special project company, Rio Cobre Water Limited. The total project cost has evolved over time due to financing conditions and rising interest rates. Initial estimates placed the investment at approximately US 77 million, equivalent to about 12 billion Jamaican dollars. However, updated financial projections increased the cost to roughly 92 million, or about 15 billion Jamaican dollars, reflecting higher borrowing costs and long-term loan interest. The project is supported by international and regional financiers including IDB Invest, Proparco, Sagicor Bank Jamaica, and the Development Bank of Jamaica, with a repayment period extending up to 20 years. Vince's role includes the engineering, construction, and technical delivery of the plant, which will be owned and operated by RCWL for 23 years before being transferred to the NWC. Once operational, the facility is expected to produce approximately 15 million imperial gallons of treated water per day, serving more than 600,000 residents across Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Spanish Town, and Portmore. The plant will become one of the largest water treatment facilities in Jamaica, helping to reduce water shortages, improve supply consistency, and enhance resilience against drought and climate-related disruptions. In conclusion, Vince's contract for the Rio Cobre water treatment plant represents both a major opportunity and a major responsibility for Jamaica. While the project promises transformative improvements in water supply and national resilience at an estimated cost of 15 billion, it also underscores the importance of financial oversight, accountability, and long-term planning. If managed effectively, the Rio Cobre facility could stand as a landmark achievement in Jamaica's infrastructure development and public service delivery. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.